What is up, guys, and welcome back to another exciting video where we're gonna be talking about how to make money online literally just using Google Maps. And I know you're probably usually using Google Maps to go find the nearest Chick-fil-A, but today I'm gonna be teaching you how to actually use it to earn some extra money and to make that side hustle actually start to generate you some income so that you can stop using OnlyFans. So this method is actually pretty simple, and we're gonna be doing something called drop servicing. So make sure you stay all the way until the end of this video because I'm gonna be showing you guys a special way where you can actually outsource most of the work and get paid most of the profit. So this is gonna be a super exciting video. Make sure you don't skip around and you stay all the way until the end, because guys, if you can't watch a 10-minute video on YouTube that literally walks you through step by step how to make money online, you're never gonna make any money online. That's just a fact. And so if you're new to this channel, first of all, welcome to the strongest family on YouTube. Do me two quick favors if you like money. Make sure you tap the like button and make sure you also tap the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bells. Why? So that you can be our next big winner, like these two awesome people right here, who are each the lucky winner of a $2,000 course on our last video. For being the first commenter on our next video, you can be our next lucky winner as well. And you guys have been loving the riddles so much, so we decided to have a new one in this video. And the riddle for today is, what goes through cities and fields but never moves? And whoever is the first person to get the answer correct down below on this video will be our next lucky winner of a brand new $2,000 course. So today what we're gonna be talking about is actually something called the Google Map Pack and also something called Google My Business. Now, there's two different things. When you actually go ahead and search for a business in a specific city, Google will actually suggest a few local businesses that they recommend, and those businesses get by far more actual business and more traction because they're seen by more people. It's the same thing as digital marketing. Whoever is seen by the most eyes ultimately is the person who actually makes the most money. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna teach you guys exactly how to sell this as a service to local businesses so that you can earn money literally by ranking their businesses into what's called the Google Map Pack so that they get more eyes, more customers, and thus more sales and profit. And the best part is, later in this video, I'm actually gonna be teaching you how to outsource all of the work so that you don't have to do any of that work yourself, and you can actually just arbitrage the difference between what it costs you to outsource and what you can actually charge these local businesses to do it for. So basically, you act as the middleman, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do everything step by step from the beginning all the way until the end. So let's jump into my computer and let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome into my screen. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually search the type of business and then near a particular city, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually type in plumbing, but actually try to spell it right, near Sunny Isles, right? Sunny Isles, Florida. So what we're gonna see is we're gonna see a lot of different stuff here. Sponsored ads. We're also gonna see another couple of sponsored ads right here. But then this is what actually is called the Google Map Pack. You can see that it's actually showing three different businesses here, right? One has 42 reviews, one has 0 reviews, and one has 1 review, right? What we wanna do is we wanna actually click View All. And when we click View All, now we can actually see the Google Map view where we can see all of these different businesses here. What we want to focus on is ones that actually have very few reviews, or some of them, like you can see right here, has 0 reviews, right? If we actually click this one right here, you can see that this business literally has 0 reviews, right? It says be the first to review. You know, if you want to write a review, see it has literally none. That's good for us because it's very easy to get reviews, and reviews actually help ranking on Google, right? Another thing that you want to look for is businesses that actually haven't claimed what's called Google My Business, right? And so if we click this one, you can see that it actually says, do you own this business? And if you own this business, or you approach somebody who owns the business, you can actually click that you own the business. Of course, I'm not the actual owner of this business, so I'm not going to do that. But once you contact these people, you can actually walk them through how to actually claim their business in Google, which again helps the ranking on Google, right? So you can see if we look at this one again, they actually have claimed their business. But if we look at this one, right here next to suggest edit, it actually says own this business, right? See, this one doesn't have it and this one does. So we like to look for ones that have very few reviews and also haven't claimed their business. These guys look perfect, right? They have 1 review, very few reviews, and they haven't even claimed their business. And so what we would do is we would actually click this, and then we would contact these people, right? We have a phone number right here. We can give them a call and let them know that they haven't claimed their business. They don't have very many reviews. They're missing out on a lot of potential business because they aren't actually ranking in the map pack. They're sitting right outside of it, even though these guys should be ranking higher because they have more reviews. Just because this actually has the words Sunny Isles, it's actually ranking higher because Google actually considers that to be more relevant since it has the exact match of the city itself, right? So what we can do is we can actually start with either one of these. We can either call them or we can go onto their website right here, and we can go to contact us. And we can actually just shoot them an email. We can see right here it says email. You can put your name, phone number, email. So you'd want to type something basically that says, hey, my name is Kevin David. I help businesses get higher ranking on Google Maps listings, which leads to more customers and sales and profit. I noticed that your business isn't claimed on Google, and I could start just by helping you do that completely for free, so you can automatically rank higher, right? And if you're saying to yourself, but Kevin, why would we help them for free? Well, you'd help them for free because if you do things for people, they're much more likely to do things back for you, right? It's a basic actual element of negotiation. It's one of the negotiation tactics outlined in Robert Cialdini's book called Influence, which is an amazing book that I recommend anybody who's interested in negotiation actually read. It's what's called reciprocity. It's actually been proven again and again and again, at car dealerships, for example. If they give you a cold Coca-Cola, you're actually significantly more likely, scientifically proven, to buy a car, right? They give you a 30-cent Coca-Cola, you're actually more likely to buy a car just because they actually did something for you, and you intrinsically as a human being want to reciprocate that and do something back for them. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do this for free for them because it's very easy. It takes like 10 minutes, but for somebody who doesn't know about it, right, it would actually be very hard. And so we can help them claim their business for free, and then once we do that, we have a relationship and we can actually upsell a monthly service fee to actually keep their site ranked on the Google Map Pack, those 3 little spots that I showed you guys before when you search for a particular business in a particular city. And then you can actually charge a monthly fee to keep them there, to get them reviews, and to handle incredibly basic digital marketing tasks that a busy plumber that has no idea about Google and digital marketing or any of this stuff or SEO has no idea how to do. And so ultimately what you're doing is you're leveraging a skill set that somebody doesn't have time for, doesn't want to figure out, and you're getting paid monthly to actually be able to do that. Now you can charge any number of different amounts, right? You can charge $200 a month, $300 a month, $500 one time. The best way that I've been able to actually price this out is you want to charge $250 a month to actually build this out, right? And you can tell them that it generally takes 2 or 3 months to actually get their business ranked on Google, and you can charge $250 a month to do that. You can also charge just a one-time $500 fee. Generally what I like to do is give them the choice. We can either do this $250 a month recurring, or I'll do this for you just for a one-time $500 fee. Now the cool part about this, guys, is if you're thinking to yourself, but Kevin, I don't know how to actually do SEO. I don't know how to rank this stuff. I don't know how to do all the citations and link building and reviews and all of these different things. Well, the cool thing about that is you can actually do what's called drop servicing. Now, drop servicing essentially means outsourcing the actual work to somebody who specializes in this, who lives in a cheaper actual cost of living country, somewhere overseas, who can do the work for very cheap, and then you can charge significantly more to find actual customers, just like I showed you how to do with this little email or calling them or however you feel most comfortable actually reaching out. And remember, you want to reach out to 100 businesses in different cities, around where you live if it makes you feel more comfortable. But if you reach out to 100 people, right, and let's say 20 people respond, 10 people say yes, you claim their business for free or you help them for free, and then 5 of them ultimately end up paying you, right, that's still $2,500, which is pretty good. And you could definitely do that in a couple weeks, 2 to 4 weeks, being able to do that. It's definitely something that's very, very doable to actually accomplish. And so how we're gonna actually outsource this is we're gonna go to Fiverr, and we're gonna type in rank my Google business. Right, and what we can see is there's a lot of different people here. This person literally says, I will do proven local SEO strategy to rank your Google My Business, right? Which is pretty much exactly perfect for exactly what we want. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually look at this. We can see that $10 he has something, $30 he has something, and $80 he has something as well. what we're gonna do is just the $10 one. And the cool thing is, right, you don't have to actually buy this until you've already charged somebody, you know, $250 or $500 to actually do this. And so if you can outsource the work even for, you know, $30 or $80, and you can actually charge $250 or $500, then you're making a significant profit margin doing basically zero work yourself. Literally all you're doing is going and finding these businesses, contacting them, building a little bit of rapport, and then basically arbitraging by outsourcing the actual work itself and then charging a significantly higher rate to do it, doing no actual work yourself. And the cool thing is, once you find a Fiverr person who really knows what they're doing, right, you can form a relationship with them, you can start actually getting cheaper bulk prices from them and have even wider profit margins to actually do this. And so I think you guys get this. I think you understand just how actually exciting this is. If you do, comment down below, make money online. And if we get 1,000 people who comment how to make money online on this video, then we're gonna actually drop a completely brand new crazy video we've never talked about before next week, which is one of the best strategies that I've seen in recent times to actually make money online. But if we don't get 1,000 comments, guys, we're not going to actually be able to release that video. So make sure you do comment that down below. And really, guys, if you enjoy these videos, I am working hard to bring these to you. Make sure you like it and actually subscribe and turn on the notification bells. It's crazy, like 90% of the people watching this don't subscribe, so you can be that awesome 10% that I really do appreciate. You guys mean the world to me. And if you didn't know already, we actually have 2 other YouTube channels. One of them is our top 25 in the world podcast called The Kevin David Experience, and the other is called More Kevin David, where we actually go live every single week and teach you how to make money online, brand new strategies, answer your questions live, and so much more. Both of those links are down below in the description. Or if you just want to keep watching awesome videos on how to make money online, we have a brand new playlist coming to you live in 3, 2, 1. Click it in the middle of your screen, guys. See you there. Click it. Come on, click it. Do it. Click the playlist. Okay, you don't have to, but I promise you'll like it. Click the playlist. See you soon. Peace.